Hi, I'm Lindsey Bugbee, and today I am absolutely ecstatic to introduce you to the Calligraphy Book. Today I'm going to offer a little flip through of this book so you can know what to expect when you pick up a copy. First, you've got this cover with copious flourishes, illustrations, and gold foil. It's going to look fabulous no matter where you put it. It makes a great gift. And then we open, and it's full of chapter opener illustrations, lots and lots of information and inspiration. So anyone who is new to the art of calligraphy can learn exactly what they need to get and what they need to do to set themselves up for success. I've also included 5 pointed pen calligraphy alphabets, and there's a little bit of something for everyone. So you've got Bohemian here, and you can see the exact letter formations, how to write special characters, and how to write words. Of course, if you know me, you know that I like flourishes. So a flourished alphabet made its way into the book to help you create gorgeous projects like this one. Naturally, you'll run into a lot of challenges as you embark on your calligraphy journey. This book has you covered there. In this section, you'll learn all about what to do when things don't quite go your way. I love this entire book, but my favorite part is, without a doubt, the projects. If you're familiar with the TPK blog, you know that I love to come up with project ideas and write about how to do them step by step. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. So flip through and you will find tips for making mail art. You'll find holiday projects, projects with copious flourishes, and sweet projects that commemorate an occasion. In the very back of the book, you'll find templates so you can create some of the projects that are featured in the project section. And then we shut the book and we've got more beauty here on the back. I hope that you enjoyed this flip through. The Calligraphy Book is available on the TPK website, and of course anywhere that you prefer to buy your books, so Amazon, Target, Barnes & Noble, etc. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoy this book.